Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm super excited to get into this one with you guys. It's about the Witch's Roots box. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby. Be sure to go ahead and check them out in the comment section and description box down below so you guys can order your awesome box today. My cat is super excited about it too, so without further ado, let's open this up, guys. I just love their subscriptions. Let's see what the theme for this month is. Ooh, I see something already, like a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork with like a... Ooh, this is exciting. So this month's theme, guys, is Psychic Sight. So on a journey where many challenges are faced and obstacles overcome, we focus on finding the wisdom hidden beneath. Even when pondering or peering into the future, we work to open our minds to natural intuition, allowing insights, visions, and flashing messages to arrive. As with some of the most powerful and useful divination tools used in the craft today, there are many ways for us to peer deeper. In this very special collection, we work to refine our ability to reawaken our psychic sight, giving us the unique opportunity to be revealed to the hidden realms and perspectives that may stand just slightly behind our perceived judgments of the world around us. As you work with these magical tools, open your mental and spiritual abilities to new sights. These small yet significant revelations may alter your path ahead. The magical items in this box are as follows. This is so exciting, guys. They got a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. It says, I'm connected with the wisdom of the universe. With that charka, it's so beautiful, guys. I'm honestly confused if this one is the throat or the third eye. It looks like the throat for some reason. But with the insight, it's making me think of the third eye charka. But it's so pretty. I love it, guys. And ooh, Mugwort. Heck yeah, the art for this month is Mugwort, guys. This is the Book of Shadows artwork. It's really awesome. This is so cool, guys. They used the Sanskrit lettering in that Book of Shadows artwork. Ooh, I'm seeing so many cool things in here already, guys. There's some rope incense, which is awesome because this is such an easy cleanup, guys, and it doesn't burn that long. So if like before work or you're gonna do a quick little 30-minute spiritual practice and you don't have time to like do a full hour, you can just burn this and ooh. This smells so good, guys. I'm like forgetting what I was even saying. This patchouli rope incense. This very unique incense is made by hand through a process that involves rolling and twisting incense into a small braided form. As you allow the smoke to increase and waft through your space, allow your spiritual mind to venture through faraway places, bringing a feeling of wonder and excitement. This is so good, guys. I know patchouli incense. I've bought some before, and to be honest with you, I do not like how it smells, and it's so stinky. I know it's totally a hippie herb, as my friend would tell me, but oh my god. Whatever, like, kind of patchouli blend they use to make this incense, guys, is so good. It smells like so, like, sweet, but not too sweet, and this doesn't smell like nasty patchouli. This smells good, so I'm in love with that. If they made that in an oil, oh my god, guys, that would be my favorite oil. Smells so good. And speaking of oils, we got a little body potion over here, like a ritual body oil. Ooh. And I love how it comes with the dropper too, so you guys can always use the dropper to go ahead and put it on all over you and in your cleansing baths. Ooh, it's so magical, guys. And I see a little clear quartz in there. It's the Psychic Sight Ritual Body Oil, and there's a cool little eye on there. So the Psychic Sight Ritual Body Oil, they have created this oil with the intention of enhancing your ability to open the flow of intuition during ritual. We have enhanced the Ritual Body Oil with honeysuckle, vanilla, sandalwood, lavender, ylang-ylang, and jasmine oils. In addition, we have included mugwort and Egyptian blue lotus. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lemurian quartz set to personify oneness into your aura. We have also included a special mixture of our third eye magical oil from our own personal cabinet of witchery. Start with a small amount of this oil on your skin, as some may be more sensitive than others. Do not apply on face, for external use only. Ooh, there's some kick butt herbs on there, guys. This smells really good too. My third eye's already tingling. Ooh, this smells good, guys. I can't wait to use this in my craft and my magic. My third eye is totally tingling. This is so cool, guys. I'm just loving this box already. What's in this little purple box? This is so magical, guys. It's this necklace, but it looks like a sigil on the front, and then the back has some words on it. It says, Psychic Sight, blessed moon hanging in the night, Open the left eye and open the right. Open all of my senses to see and to know. Open the psychic eye and let my intention flow. So mote it be. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. It's got a little bit of an Egyptian flair on there, too. With the sigil, with the Egyptian blue lotus. This is a cool necklace, guys. It would even be cool to make this into a little charm to put on like a little clutch or your backpack or something. I like that a lot. It's super cool. And looks like there's the Mugwort herb, guys. You can never have enough of Mugwort. Awesome herb. And what else is in here? This, it's all in bubble wrap. I love how they wrap everything, guys. Like, it's so, like, nice and curated how they put it together. And they just package it really good so it won't break on you. Is this black kyanite? It feels like kyanite. Oh, it's a dragon tooth amethyst. How cool. Perfect for your psychic sight to open your third eye. That's so cool, guys. So, I've included this beautiful piece of amethyst to enhance the magic that flows through your sacred space. Among many beneficial qualities, amethyst empowers us to have conviction in all things and brings our spiritual powers to peak performance so that we may connect more easily with our guides. I just love this, guys. Why am I sniffing it? I thought it was the oil because I still smell the oil on me. It's so beautiful. I love amethyst, guys. This is awesome. Totally perfect tool to go ahead and use in magic work. And then the last thing is the spell candle. I just love these, guys, because you can just use them and they burn so quick, especially these smaller ones. And you can just do your spell and it's just done. Super easy, and it's fun to anoint these beeswax candles, guys, with your oil and your herb. What? Oh, this is getting glitter all over the place, guys. Like, but it's so pretty. What? This is, like, beautiful. It's like an indigo beeswax candle, and the bottom of it, like the bottom half is covered in this, like, really beautiful purple glitter. I guess to help you open your third eye. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really beautiful, very vibrant. Would have been pretty on the whole candle, but it's going everywhere. So this little spell candle, guys, it's a look within mini spell candle. We have hand rolled this mini spell candle with the intention of enhancing the visionary energy surrounding your space. As you sit before the flame, take the time to dive deeper into divinatory practice. Affirmation: I hold the wisdom of the universe within me, as above, so below, so mote it be. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got one of their beeswax candles burning over here. I used it in a couple spells already, and can't wait to use this one. It's so pretty. This box was really fun, guys. I just love it so much. This was their Witch's Roots box. You guys should definitely go to the comment section down below or the description box and order yours today. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon on Instagram at the Witch's Moon. I just love their products, guys. Like, I'm just in love with everything. The Book of Shadows artwork, the oil, the crystal, and the herbs and the incense. Like, this is just, like, awesome, guys, to, like, add to your ritual practice every month. Just getting you those new tools you need and fun new items you didn't even think you needed. Like, so beautiful, guys. I do kind of want to read about this Book of Shadows artwork real quick to give you some info on it. So for the Insight Meditation Book of Shadows artwork, the stunning meditation piece was created by A.E. Alden. As you place this piece in front of you, allow yourself to connect with the energy inscribed with each line. The affirmation is, I am connected with the wisdom of the universe. That's so beautiful. And for Mugwort, guys, some magical properties it says is, Mugwort is used primarily as a visionary herb to amplify psychic sight, opening the third eye to receive ocular and otherworldly emphasis. A relatively conduit, this herb is often worn, burned, sprinkled, etc. prior and following divinatory work. It is an excellent cleanser for magical tools, a key component in the 9 herbs charm, and mugwort has long been used to repel all manner of harm and misfortune. Examples are poison, disease, unwelcome visitors, animal attacks, inclement weather, the dangers of travel, etc. It helps to induce astral travel and prophetic dreams, aiding in the retention of details unveiling during revered trance or meditation. As we evolve on our journey to enlightenment, cultivating a connection with Mugwort encourages us to heal our souls and to deeply look forward to the value and lessons in all things. Oh, this artwork is just so beautiful, guys. It's kind of hard to read because of the, like, ring lights on me. It's like, I can't see. My eyes are a little blind, but I'm in love with this month's box, guys. You should definitely go ahead and check them out. And like always, by earth, by air, by fire. fire by water by spirit. In the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified when I post my future content. And without further ado, merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be. Hi, Maleficent. You being cute. Is this what the bed looks like when I'm done filming the little video? It's got all the tools all over it. Sniffing up all the magic. You're being so cute. Camera's not focusing on you. Say hi. You're all curious about the new tools, huh?